Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Yamuna Maskare. Today we will learn Ohm's law. Ohm's law is a basic and fundamental law of electrical engineering which was given by George Simon in 1827, that is established relationship between voltage and current. Let's talk about statement. Statement is electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its. Let's consider some example. Case 1. We have two water tanks, tank A and tank B, और इन दोनों के बीच में एक हाइट डिफरेंस है. दैट हाइट डिफरेंस एक्ट एज अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. जो इसमें वाटर फ्लो होगा वो टैंक B टू टैंक A होगा. केस 2 की बात करते हैं. केस 2 में वाटर टैंक B और A के बीच में हाइट इंक्रीज कर दिया. हाइट इंक्रीज किया, इट मीन्स पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इंक्रीज हुआ है. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इंक्रीज होने की वजह से जो वाटर का फ्लो है उसकी स्पीड इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई होता है हमारे ओम्स लॉ में. ओम्स लॉ में हमारे पास वोल्टेज होता है, एक रेजिस्टेंस होता है और इनको एक क्लोज पाथ प्रोवाइड करने पे एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. जब भी हम एक क्लोज पाथ फॉर्म करते हैं तो उसमें से फ्लो होता है करंट. वोल्टेज सोर्स एक्ट एज अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, और जैसे जैसे आप पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे तो सर्किट में से करंट फ्लो होने की स्पीड या करंट का अमाउंट इंक्रीज होते जाएगा. So next is mathematical expression. I is directly proportional to V. It means आप जैसे जैसे वोल्टेज की वैल्यू इंक्रीज करोगे करंट की भी वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी. So we need to remove this proportionality constant. So I is equals to KV, and this K is constant which is called as conductance. Conductance is a property of material which allow current flow through it, and it is reciprocal of resistance. So K is equals to 1 by R, and this value put in this equation. So I is equals to 1 by R into V. So we got some equation that is I is equals to V by R. It is a equation number first, and second V is equals to I into R. It is a second equation. These equation are mathematically representation of Ohm's law. Some points should be remembered when apply Ohm's law. Ohm's law is applicable when the resistance and temperature is constant as well as other physical condition. It means length of resistance, area of resistance should be same. Ohm's law is primarily applicable to the metallic conductor. Next is graphical representations. Graphical representation is a relationship between voltage and current of material. So when we plot the graph between voltage and current, we got straight line. Which element obey this graphical representation is called as ohmic element or material. Which element does not obey this relationship is called as non-ohmic elements. Let's solve some example. Example first. If resistance of electric iron is 50 ohm and current of 3.2 ampere flowing through a resistance, find the voltage between 2 points. So we have given R is equals to 50 ohm, I is equals to 3.2 ampere, and we know that V is equals to I into R. So V is equals to 50 into 3.2, so V is equals to 160 volt. Let's talk about second example. An EMF source of 8 volt is connected to purely resistive appliances. An electric current of 2 ampere flow through it. Find resistance. So in this question we need to find resistance, and we have given I is equals to 2 ampere and V is equals to 8 volt. So we know that R is equals to V by I. So value of V is 8 volt and current is 2 ampere. So we got R is equals to 4. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बात करेंगे अदर कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.